Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander, and this is a Dish About the Dish happy hour where we are cruising through 1,200 plus recipes in the International Bartenders Guide Book, copyright 1996. And it is a special day today. We are celebrating my grandmother's 93rd birthday. And I'm sure the Dowager Empress, as I called her, is going to be in grand form today, grand form. So in celebration of her birthday, I'm going to the back of the book, not to the virgin drinks, no, but to the S's for Sangria. When I was a kid, every time she would walk into the house, first thing she would say is, "Where's my wine? Where's my wine?" And we would say, "What kind do you want?" "Sangria, give me sangria." So we always had sangria on hand for when she came over. And I would make fantastic sangrias, trying different things. And then it wasn't until maybe 5 years ago or so, we found her favorite sangria, which was red wine with ice cubes in it. So I still make sangria because the rest of us could really use it. So I'm using actually the recipe in this cookbook, I'm using the recipe in this book today, which is a lot different than other recipes I've made for sangria. Sangria is just basically a fruity wine punch, which is delicious because you can mix it all up. But this one has a few different ingredients in it, including sugar. I don't put extra sugar in my sangria, so we shall see how this goes. It asks for a half a cup of sugar. And as always, I'm going to put the list of ingredients and how much it all cost me to put together because this is a punch drink. And this is definitely something you want to make ahead of time because you want the sugar to dissolve and all of your ingredients to meld together. And then to this, we're going to add, it says a quart of wine. It's basically just a wine. And you want to use something you would drink on its own. And I love this red blend. It's so jammy and yummy and not so thick and chewy. Ooh. And to this, you're gonna add the juice of a lemon and a juice of an orange. And this is where this can get fun. You can do white wine sangrias with peaches, delicious. If I do a red wine, I go with either a red blend or a Merlot. Cabernets, I don't know, they're just a little too dark and rich for me. But something nice and fruity is delightful. I put in sliced apples, strawberries, citrus, whatever your little imagination can come up with. Cool. And then we add our brandy. You can also do triple sec. This says 1 to 2 ounces. As I said, it's my grandmother's birthday. Of course, we're doing the 2. We're gonna give this a little stir. And then the other interesting ingredient to this is it says a cup of club soda or cold water. I think the club soda, I don't know why. I would think this would dilute it because this is delicious right here on its own. But I'm guessing it's just to lighten it up a little bit, give it a little bit more of an effervescence, but it's almost making it into a wine spritzer. But there we go. That's basically it. We're gonna put this in the fridge for at least an hour to get all nice and mixed together, and then we'll finish it off in just a moment. Our sangria has been mingling and melding and becoming this delicious fruitiness, and we're going to now pour it into a glass filled with some ice and some lemon and orange slices. And again, I've let my fruit marinate with our punch mixture overnight instead of just pouring it separate in a glass. But again, I'm following the recipe and the ingredients. But here it is, our fruity red sangria. Ooh, that is quite refreshing. It's really jammy, which is what I love, and a nice red wine. The citrus just kind of helps bring that out, and it's not too sour at all. And again, that club soda kind of makes it light and refreshing. Kind of wish I tried it before I added the club soda, just to see if it made that much of a difference. And I'm also wondering if the sugar was really needed, if it needed that extra sweetness. But experiment with it, it's really delightful. This will make this afternoon so much fun. Ooh, that's quite lovely. So give it a try. Tell me what you think. Also, if you would, let me know what your favorite sangria recipes are, because I love trying out a new sangria for a party. And as promised, this is how much it cost me to put all of this together. Thank you so much for joining me today and for helping to wish my abuela a happy 93rd birthday. Yeah, it's gonna be a trip and a half. So if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe so that way you know when we have a new video coming out. It also kind of helps spread awareness of our channel. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll stop asking y'all. But again, thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, y'all.
Next time, buy Italian.
Italian? Buy Italian next time.
Is it best?
I'll do that.